How to edit video using Camtasia. After you have installed, you can see a shortcut in your desktop or you can type in the search bar Camtasia. To create a new project, you select this one, or if you want to record the screen or if you want to record your face, you can click this one. Or if you have a save a file, you can open your project. So for us, we will start on creating a new project. So this is the environment of Camtasia. So in media, this is where you can upload file, like if you want to import picture, video, or an audio. So you may click here, media, and then import media. Or you can click this one, plus sign, and then import media. Okay. Annotation, if you want to add call outs, you want to add a text. So all you have to do is you click and then drag. Okay, so that's how to add. Or if you want to add the shapes, a blur and highlight, and sketch motion, so that is found in annotation. Transitions, if you want to um, add the transitions in your video. Okay. Behavior, if you want to uh, change or if you want to apply a behavior of your text like this one. So if you hover your mouse, you can see the behavior of the text. Animations, if you want to apply animations to your video. Okay. And then cursor effect. So this one, if you want to apply, you may drag and then drop. So that's how to add effect. So later we'll apply this one. And voice narration, if you want to add or example in your video at the same time you have to narrate. So you click on voice narration. Audio effects. Okay, so this is the audio or these are the audio effects and the visual effects. Okay, so let's start. If you want to resize your canvas, this one, the canvas, you can go to File and then mm, Project Settings, and then you can resize your canvas. So you can resize the width and also apply color or background color. So if you want to resize, you may go to Custom and then you can type your desired size of your canvas and then click on apply. So to start, let's import media. So click on media and then plus sign, import media, then locate your file. Open. So to insert a text, you may go to annotations and then click this one, text. And then type, this is a sample video. It's your title. If you want to add a background, you may go to shapes and then choose background. So drag it and then right click, arrange, and send to back. Okay, so that you can see your text. So to edit the property of your text, select the text and then click this one, properties. So here, you can change the color of your text, the font, choose any font, what do you like, and then you can change also the size of your text. You can also change the style or the type. It can be a bold, it can be a bold italic or regular italic. So it's up to you. And this one is the alignment. So since it's a text, you click on text. So if you want to change the direction of your text, you may click this. Okay. So this one is the visual property. So if you want to apply opacity, scale of your text, and then the rotation, if you want to rotate, and also the position of your text, you can change it here. Okay, so that's the use of a visual property. If you want to change the background, okay, the background color, you may click here and then fill, change the color. Okay, so that's how to change. You can also apply the opacity of the background. If you want to put an outline, you can also put outline, the thickness of the outline here, and also the opacity of the outline. Okay, then next, go back to media. So to test that one, you may click on play. And to add animation to your text, you go to behavior. Click on behavior and then you can apply if you will drag here in the center or you can drag it here. So this one is the text and this is your background. So if you want to apply behavior to your text, you select the text and then choose the behavior and then drag. And then to test, you click on play. So same with your background. If you want to add a background transition, click on the transition and then click drag to your background. So to test that one, click on play. Okay. You can also adjust if you want a quick. So you can adjust here. Okay. Adjust and also adjust. Okay. So play. Okay. So go back to media. If you want to add a video. So this is the video file. Click and then drag it. Okay. So that's after this. So you have to drag it. Drag and then adjust the size of your video. Play And that's it. So you can see your video now. So adjust again. Okay. So you can see now the video. Now, there is a background noise, okay, background music to your video. To separate the video and audio, so what if you want another background music? So you need to separate that one. So you may right click on the video and then separate audio and video. Click, and then you have to delete this one. This is the audio file. Okay, so delete, press, and then delete. Okay. Now, what if you want to cut something? So when you play, so you want to cut that one, the text. So play first, and then stop. Where do you like to cut? So you select again the track. This is the video. And then use this one. Cut. Okay. Click to cut. Okay. So split. And then delete the other one. You have to move it. Okay. And then play it again. Okay. So that's your video. Yan. Now, what if you want to insert a picture within, okay, the video? So, example here, you want to insert, you may cut again or split, and then you can insert the picture. Okay, example, this one, you want to insert, then drag. Okay, and then here is the here. And then if you want to add a text within the video, go back to annotation and then select this. To add a text, click. This one is transparent. If you want to have a background, you can choose that one. So if example I want to have a text only without a background. Double click to edit and then sample only. So this is only a sample. So if you want, if example, this text will be displayed until here, until here. So you have to adjust also. Click and then adjust. Okay, so the text will be displayed until in this area. And if you want another text, click and then drag. That's another sample too. Then adjust here. Okay. So if you want only up to in this area, click and then drag. Okay, and then play again. Now, to insert an audio, of course, you go back to your media and then you have to locate the audio. Click and then drag where you want to insert the audio. So example, if you want to insert from the very beginning, so you click and then insert the audio. Okay. What if you want to adjust the volume of your audio? Is if example, uh, you want to fade in this area. Okay? You want to fade the volume of on this area. So all you have to do is you have to put a dot. So how to add? You double click to see a dot. Okay, this one. At least three dots, three, two, and then three. Then you can adjust the volume of your audio. Example, this area you want to adjust. So that's how to adjust the volume. So if you will play, let's try this area. We will play. So the volume has been adjusted. Now you can also deactivate a track. If example, you don't need this track. So you have to click this one, click, and then this one, this track has been deactivated. Or if you don't like to have a background, okay, so you have to deactivate first. So this area, this is where you can edit your tracks. So to select a track, you have to click this one, enable again. Enable that one to see the track. Okay, so to add animations, okay, you click on animations and then go to animations and then click and drag. So it's up to you where do you like to put the animation. Okay, adjust. To import your video, click on share, and then to save in your computer, you may select local file. If you want to share it to Vimeo or in screencast.com, you can select the screencast or in YouTube. So it's up to you. So for me, I want to save it in a local file. And then okay. And then select. So you have to choose the highest resolution, this one, MP4 1080. And then click on next. Then you have to locate where do you want to save it. And finish. So you have to wait for it until it is finished rendering.